Today we're going to talk about how to fill out your pipeline resume. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Austin Ross. For those of you who may not know, I've been a pipeline welder for 7 years now. Here on this channel I share tips and tricks for rig welders, pipeliners, and the pipeline lifestyle. If those are videos that you're interested in, make sure and subscribe and ring the bell to get notified when I post a new video every Friday. Alright, so your pipeline resume. Here's how it's going to go. You're going to get a clear piece of paper, just an empty piece of paper, get a pencil, most likely, that way you can erase, and then throw it away. Just toss it, just throw it away, you don't need it. You won't need a resume to get on the pipeline. Your pipeline resume is word of mouth. It is your reputation, it is who you meet, your experience level, but who you meet, who you get to know, and doing a good job on every job that you go on, and therefore people getting to know your work ethic and what you can do and what you're capable of, your experience level, and then passing that along to the next person. Whenever it comes to hiring in, you do actually, depending on union or non-union, on union jobs you will fill out your paperwork first and then take your test. On non-union jobs, most generally you take your test and then you fill out your hiring in paperwork. And on some of that paperwork you will fill out references. So they do want some work history, but like you've already got the job, right? So like, but it helps if they usually want who you've worked for, your experience, depending on the job and how much information they want from you. Whoever you write down as your reference, they can call and be like, hey, you know, they're gonna call the last welding boss you worked for, or welding boss you've worked for a lot in the past, and they're gonna be like, where do you normally, they may not do this depending on the job, but it gives them the option to call and be like, hey, where does he, you know, work best? Is he, you know, is he good on tie-ins? Is he good on the front end? Like, where is he? Chances are they'll already know all that about you if you've got the job, because you've called them, gotten to know them, or you've known them, or you've already got a referral to even get the test to begin with. So I'm not sure why companies need the references, because as a welder, as a pipeline welder, you get your job and your referrals to get the test. Like, that's how you even get to take the test to begin with, usually. So that is your pipeline resume. That's all you need, is experience and just doing a good job, and word gets around. Good or bad, word travels. So you might be asking, Austin, how do I even start getting experience, or how do I even start to get to know people in the industry or whatever, to start building my network in the industry so I can get experience, so I can start building rapport, or your reputation, if you will. There's several ways. Social media, utilize social media to your advantage. It's huge nowadays. But we do have an AROS Welding Inner Circle. It is a paid community, but it is a community full of rig welders, future rig welders, seasoned pipeliners, seasoned rig welders, and their families. We just launched it last year, so it's still, you know, I mean, it's still small, I guess. I think there's roughly 70 members in there. Not all of them are active right now, but the more people that join and the more people that are active in there, the better off you are at building your network and meeting others just like yourself. So I wanted to invite you to the AROS Welding Inner Circle if you are interested in a private community, if you will, you know, without all the Facebook chaos and Instagram messages and all that stuff. Like, if you want focused attention, kind of like a mastermind or whatever, people that you can ask questions and share knowledge with, you know, or have questions for, you can do that in the AROS Welding Inner Circle. You can find it at aroswelding.com under Join My Inner Circle, and you can read all about it right there. So that is going to be it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching this video. We will see you next Friday. My piece of advice for this week is socialize. Work on your socializing skills. Reach out to people, introduce yourself, and just socialize. That's how this world turns, is by socializing and networking. That's my advice. Socialize with people, make phone calls, stay in touch with people, visit with people, go out to eat with people, just make friends, be nice to people, and just socialize. Opportunities are in socialization. That's gonna be it for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and remember, learn something every day.